Do you feel stuck or stagnated? Do you feel that life is going by and you are not going anywhere? Well, then the message for you is you're not stuck, you're being upgraded. Hi everyone, this is Akanksha. Welcome to my YouTube channel Multidimensional Soul. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed, welcome back. So, when you feel stuck, is it because you're not seeing the results that you expect in life, in work, or is it because that your life has been monotonous, or is it because you feel bored at work, or you're not enjoying the work, or is it because you feel constricted in relationships or in work or in general in life? There can be various reasons why you feel stuck. And as Einstein says, that you cannot solve a problem on the level on which it was created. So you cannot solve the problem at the level of the problem, right? So you have to do something different. So what can you do which is different? There are many things that you can do to feel or get unstuck. And we're going to talk about them. And we're going to talk about specifically from ascension perspective what is really happening. So the first thing is, what can you do? Many times you feel stuck because the feelings are stuck in your body. When you don't process the feelings, when you try to distract yourself from processing the feeling, then those feelings get stuck in your body and then you may feel stuck. Feeling is also emotion. So emotion is energy in motion. Energy loves to move. And that is why you need to feel the feeling and let it go. And that is one way. Another way is do something creative, because as I said, like, energy loves to move. So let that energy flow through creativity. You can paint, you can dance, you can move your body like yoga or tai chi, or you can sing, you can listen to music. There are so many things that you can do to move the energy through your body. So channel your energy into creating something new. And it doesn't have to be really something grand, like, like a painter or an artist. It can be something that gives you joy in that moment. It can be something as simple as trying a new recipe. Cooking is also therapeutic. So, cooking something new. You know what else helps? Water. You know that we are created from five elements, and water has this quality of flowing. Take a shower, go for swim, sit by flowing water, and talk to water. Water is intelligent. Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese scientist, conducted some experiments on water, and you can Google them. And he has proved that water has emotions and water is intelligent. Our body is composed of 50 to 70% of water. If you keep saying that I am stuck, I'm like this only, I'm like that only, observe your self talk. The more you talk to yourself about being stuck, you will attract that more. So appreciate yourself. Be grateful for all the qualities you have, and be grateful not just for yourself, for everything in life, everything in nature. Appreciate the beauty in nature. Be grateful for whatever you have. Now let's talk about being upgraded and not being stuck. As we all know that we are in ascension, we are moving into 5D as a collective consciousness, as Earth. And what happens in this case is you shift timelines. So you move from a lower vibration timeline into a higher timeline. And when you are shifting timelines, when you are in between the timelines, when you are being upgraded, you may feel that you are stuck. Now, what do you do in such case? You let go of something that is not serving you, that is low vibrational, and make space for something that is high vibrational, something that you love. Remember what you love doing as a child and do that. You can always take help from God, from your spirit guides, angels. They are here to help you. So ask your guides, what do I need to let go? What do I need to invite in my life? As we all know, that energy flows where the attention goes. Where is your attention throughout the day? Is your attention on the lack? Is your attention on the feeling of being stuck? Then that is where you will have your energy. Or is your attention on being excited for the future possibilities? Is your attention on creating something new? Is your attention on being in that flow? So the energy flows where the attention goes. So being mindful and observing yourself throughout the day and consciously creating that flow, being in the flow state, is something that will help bring the newer version of you, is something that will help you let go of the older version of you. If you feel stuck, understand that you are not stuck, you are being upgraded. So, guys, are you excited about the upgrades? We all are being upgraded. Those who have chosen to ascend are all getting upgrades. And they may not look easy, but it's exciting time ahead. We are co-creating new earth. So are you excited? That's all for today. This was the message, and I channel messages from my spirit guide and my son Arnav, from the source directly from Ascended Masters and Akashic Records. So these are channel messages. I will keep bringing messages to you. So see you in the next video. Till then, love yourself, take care of yourself. Lots of love.